Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the values of x, y, and z using various geometry of angle rules or theorems. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first example, we can see that we have two lines intersecting as shown. Therefore, the angles facing each other, that is the angle highlighted, are vertically opposite and must be equal. Likewise, the angle at the top and at the bottom are also vertically opposite and must be equal. Therefore, I have 2x minus 25 degrees equal to x plus 10 degrees. The reason being, they are vertically opposite angles. Collecting like terms, I'm going to start by moving my x to the left-hand side. I still have my minus 25 degrees equals 10 degrees. 2x minus x, that will give us x minus 25 degrees equals 10. Moving my minus 25 to my right-hand side, I have x equals 10 degrees plus 25 degrees. Therefore, the value of x equals 35 degrees. To find y, if I consider the straight line highlighted in yellow, then I know that the angle y plus x plus 10 degrees must be equal to 180 degrees. The reason being, the sum of angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. In the first part of the question, we've been able to show that x is 35 degrees. So slotting that back into our equation, we have y plus 35 degrees plus 10 degrees equals 180 degrees. Simplifying, I have y plus 35 plus 10, that's 45 degrees, equals 180 degrees. Subtracting 45 degrees from both sides, I have y equals 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. Therefore, the value of y equals 180 minus 45, that's 135 degrees. To find z, because of the two intersecting line, as shown, y is equal to z degrees, which is also equal to 135 degrees. The reason being, the two angles are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. Let's look at the next example. In this next example, the first step is I'm going to consider the two intersecting lines as shown, such that we have vertically opposite angles being equal. I'm going to start by highlighting that. But if you look at the value or the expression that are vertically opposite, we have the two variables occurring in the two sides. That is, we have y and x or y and x as shown. Therefore, the second option is for me to consider straight lines. I will start by considering the straight line as shown in pink, such that the angles on a straight line add up to 180. I'm going to take the first angles. I'm going to highlight that in pink, the angles I'm considering. I have my 3x and x plus 20. 3x plus x plus 20 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. The reason being, the sum of angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Collecting like terms, I have 4x plus 20 degrees equals 180 degrees. Taking my 20 to the other side, I have 4x, it becomes a minus. 180 degrees minus 20 degrees. 4x equals 180 minus 20. That will be 160 degrees. Therefore, dividing both sides by 4 here, 1. Therefore, the value of x equals 40 degrees. Having found x to be 40, I can consider another straight line such that the two angles highlighted below if I add them together, will give me 180 degrees, angles on a straight line. So therefore we have y minus 10 degrees plus my 3x is equal to 180 degrees. The reason being the sum of angles on a straight line. Therefore, simplifying by slotting in the value of x, which is 40, I have y minus 10 degrees plus 3. Wherever I have x, I'm going to replace that by 40. That's 180 degrees. I'm going to further simplify y minus 10 degrees plus 3 times 40. That's 120 degrees equals 180. Y minus 10 plus 120, that will give us y plus 110 degrees equals 180. Moving my 110 to the other side, I have y equals 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Therefore, the value of y is 70 degrees. In my last example, I'm going to consider the straight line highlighted below such that I have the angles 2x minus 15 and 3x minus 5 being on the same straight line. Therefore, 2x minus 15 degrees plus the other angle, 3x minus 5 degrees, they're both on the straight line and they must add up to 180. The reason being angles on a straight line. Collecting like times, I have 2x plus 3x, 5x, minus 15 minus 5, that's minus 20 degrees equals 180 degrees. If I move my minus 20 to the other side, it becomes a plus. I have 180 plus 20 degrees. So therefore 5x equals 200 degrees. Divided both sides by 5, I have 5 and 5, 1. Therefore the value of x equals 40 degrees. Now that I know my value of x to be 40, the second straight line I'm going to consider is the one highlighted below, such that I have 3x minus 5 plus y equals to 180 degrees because they are angles of the straight line. So my next statement will be 3x minus 5 plus y equals 180 degrees. The reason being that's a straight line. Collecting like terms I'm going to start by simplifying the value of x, which is 40. I have 3 multiplying 40 degrees minus 5 degrees plus y equals 180 degrees. 120 minus 5 plus y equals 180 degrees. 115 degrees plus y equals 180 degrees. I'm going to move my 115 to the other side. I have 180 degrees minus 115 degrees. Therefore, the value of y equals 65 degrees. Thanks for watching. Bye.